What you must know before January 2026. Forget vibes. The federal government has dropped new tax bombs. Change is coming and it's written in law. Starting January 1st, 2026, you will pay tax for breathing in Nigeria. Okay? Not literally, but close enough. Here is what's coming. According to Taiwo Oyedele, the chairman of the Presidential Fiscal Policy and Tax Reforms Committee, this marks a new foundation for taxation administration and revenue collection in Africa's largest economy. Signed into law on June 26, 2025, the reform introduces 4 major acts shaping how every Nigerian will aim, spend, and report income. 1. Nigeria Tax Act (NTA) 2025. 2. Nigeria Tax Administration Act (NTAA) 2025. 3. Nigeria's Revenue Service Establishment Act 2025. 4. JRBEA 2025. All 4 of these tax laws will shape how money moves in Nigeria. What you should know before it hits you from January 2026. Your taxes will go beyond your paycheck. Here is what's changing. 25% tax on annual income, that's your income for a working adult. 5% tax on fuel and 7.5% VAT on most goods and services. Landlords and tenants will both be taxed on rent-related income. Even shop owners and online hustlers will not be left out. Everyone earning income will be taxed. And yes, if you make money from any activity, whether legal or not, you will be taxed. As Oyedele said, we cannot differentiate between legitimate and illegitimate income. Under the new Nigerian Tax Act (NTA) 2025, anyone earning 800,000 or less per year, which is 66,667 naira monthly, are tax exempted. This means most low-income earners, including minimum wage workers, will no longer pay income tax. So let me break it down for you with an example. Let's say someone earning 70,000 naira monthly, which is 840,000 naira yearly, might look like they will pay 15% tax on the 40,000 naira above the threshold. According to what I read, the new tax law recognizes taxable income, not your total income. So you can deduct 5% NHIS contribution, 2.5% National Housing Fund (NHF), 8% pension contribution, up to 20% of rent, maximum 500,000, and life insurance premiums. So for a 70,000 naira earner paying 200,000 yearly rent, your gross income is 840,000, deductions 170,200 naira, and taxable income 710,800 naira, which that is below the 800,000 naira threshold, meaning no income tax. Even someone earning 80,000 naira monthly with 300,000 naira yearly rent will still be exempted. And for higher earners like those earning 1.2 million naira yearly, the effective tax rate is 2.5%, which the annual tax income is 30,000 naira, while your take home is 87,000 naira monthly after all the deductions, the NHIS, the NHF, and pensions and the rest. Banks will report any account with 25 million naira upward annual transactions to tax authorities. That is referred to as compliance monitoring. So banks must now report any account with 5 million naira in monthly transactions to tax authority in section 30. For salary earners and side hustlers, if you do side gigs, influencer work, or freelancing, brace up. You must now declare all your income, including your side hustle, when filing your taxes. The days of my hustle is not their business are over. This reform isn't just policy, It's a financial reset that will redefine how Nigerians live, aim, and spend. Nigeria is entering a new fiscal reality, and the big question is, are we ready to be taxed for being a Nigerian? Are we ready? Tinubu's real goal is to expand the tax net so that those who weren't paying before will start paying. And if you mix business money with your personal account, you'll be in trouble. That's why you have to be aware of what